Everybody, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing another velocity test on this cool Master. Yes, it's the Master of Cool. Just kidding, it's not even remotely cool. So, let's talk about this again. Let me unplug my phone from the charging cable. Or cable. Here we have the one and only S223. The S223 is a 3-speed box fan. 22-inch Westinghouse motor. It's very oily, because, you spin the blades, they spin for like an hour, literally. Moving on to the P223. It's got some weird issues, but it's the P223. Weird bent handle, always kind of cool. Some sort of squeaky sound. I like myself a squeaky sound. 3rd generation blades. Little wobble. One of the generation Macmillan motors. I don't know what generation that is, though. Because Macmillan, they made a few motors for some of the fans. So, and we have this Mainstays vintage wannabe fan. It's not actually vintage, but that's what the box says. I think it's 16-inch. I don't quite remember. And then the Glory of the Video, the Cool Master something. I don't know what the model is. So, none of these fans are plugged in except this fan over here. Because sometimes this fan needs a little boost, so you just turn it on 1. Which, mind you, that is extremely quiet. I don't even hear it. Do you hear that? Because I don't. So sometimes you just have to get a little head start. The P223 is not plugged in. So if I need to give it a boost, I'll just do that. Somehow I'll just spin the blades. S223 can spin a little easier, so probably don't need the boost. Unless this fan is that bad. Alright, if you're a regular viewer, you will know that when I do my velocity test, we run the fan on high, so here's high. Also, I think this fan has a startup sound. I think it does. I don't remember. But you might want to hear it anyway. Here's high. Magic shall begin. Alright. The Mainstays is not moving at all. We're gonna run my booster in a second. Let's do it. There we go. Alright, got that one moving. None of the other fans are moving. There's a weak amount of air here where I'm standing. Maybe the P223 just needs a little boost. Gotta spin it this way. Come on, man. Nope. It won't go. Nope. The S223 is not moving either. There's no air here. There's no air anywhere here. Try it anyway. Maybe it's moving. I think it's moving. So how come this fan isn't? Come on. Come on, the S223 can do it. You do it too. Quit being a baby. Go. Go, go. Dude. I got the S223 moving somehow. Don't know how that's even possible. Come on. How fast I can spin this thing. Go, go, go. Move, move, move. I feel like I'm in Rainbow Six. Go, go, go. Move, move, move. Alright. Look at the blades moving. It's so weird. It's like a wave. I don't know what to say. The S223 is moving. The P223 won't move. This is barely moving. Alright, well, I guess the results are 2 fans, I guess. I guess that's how it's gonna have to work. Because if this one isn't moving, I mean, I don't know why it's not. This one isn't plugged in either, right? yeah, I don't know. Huh. Alright, I don't know what to say about this one. This one's very interesting. Very interesting. I got the S223 to move. I don't know how it happened. I felt no current between these two fans. So either there's some other current of air somewhere else in the room, which there is not. These are the only 4 fans in this room right now, and there is no air here. And even with the fan on, there was no air. So, I mean, what happened? I was spinning the P223. I still couldn't get that to move, even spinning it at like full speed. But I was able to still cut through to the S223. So, in reality, this fan never moved. So, we're going to have to count this fan and just say 2 fans. But this didn't do as good as the P223 did. The P223 also cut through 2 fans, but the second fan was spinning really fast, whereas this one was spinning really slow. So, the results for the P223 are still higher, but there you go. That's the Cool Mister. I'm gonna try to look for another box fan around the house if I can find another one. Because if I could do that, then I could do another velocity test on that fan, and then I could do a top 5 velocity test video, which I really want to do because I would like to talk about my Dominion results. Because I don't have the Dominion results on camera, but it was crazy. You would never believe it if you weren't there, but I think it was last summer. I had 3 other box fans in front of the Dominion. I turned the Dominion on high. It just whacked like all the other box fans. Just went right through all of them. I mean, what a tank that is. I mean, even the S223 couldn't do that. And the S223 is the most powerful fan out of these 3. This fan makes these fans look like a joke. Especially this one. Yeah, you're a joke. Feel bad. So yeah, that is my video for this fan. Results are, I guess, 2 fans, but a little weaker than the P223. So there you go. This is my velocity test. Bye-bye.